Students, how are you today?
Morning, ma'am. Very well.
Ma'am.
Oh, before we starting our lesson today, we are prayer. I want to Prina. Could you help me to let the pray?
Okay, class, before we start our class, let's pray. Finish?
Okay, thank you, Prina. You're good.
Yes, I'm
We are
ready.
ready,
Yes,
Miss.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Ready.
Okay, thank you. I'll share the material for you first. Before we start to study, I want to check all of you who is absent today. To know about learning objective. Today, we are learning about analytical exposition text, especially to identify the social function, structure text, and language feature of analytical exposition text. This is the motivation for you. Education breeds confidence, confidence breeds hope, and hope breeds peace. Today, we are study about one of the example of analytical exposition text, entitled The Importance of Sleep. The importance of sleep. Before we study about the importance of sleep, I will divide it you into two groups. The first group have Saiful, Archita, meaning Prina and Ristriawan. And the second group, Marini, Lailani, Subandiono, Rahmania. Okay, before you join in your group, please read this text about the importance of sleep. I'll give you 1 minute from now. Okay, time is up. And then after you read the text about the importance of sleep, the first one, I want to know, what do you think about sleep? Meaning, please give your answer.
Yes, ma'am. I ever sleep.
What do you think about sleep?
Sleep at the night.
Sleeping in the fresh the Brian.
Oh, that's good, Saiful. Yeah, sleep is essential for our health. Yeah, sleep is essential for our health and well-being. Yeah, I think all of us ever sleep, but how many times it depends on his or her body. And then the second one, how many hours you need to sleep per day? I think.
Me, ma'am. I can answer, ma'am.
Okay, Lailani, please.
8 hours. It's good for the
Eight,
heart.
8 hours. Okay, it's very good. Next, please join with your groups. Yeah, please join in your groups and then studying about what is the social function of analytical exposition text, and then generic structure, and then the language feature of analytical exposition text. I'll give you 1 minute for discuss. Okay, time's up. Who wants to answer what is the function of analytical exposition text? Raise your hand, please.
Sorry, ma'am. Could you repeat your question, ma'am?
Please discuss in your group about the social function of analytical exposition text, structure of analytical exposition text, and language feature of exposition text. Okay, please, Archita.
Okay, thank you, Miss. The social function of analytical exposition task is to persuade by giving the argument and explain why and how something is necessary to do. Maybe this for me. Is it right?
Oh, is it all right? Right. Thank you, Arsita. You're my smart student today. Okay. This is the social function of analytical exposition text. The social function is to convey the audience that his or her idea is an important matter. And then the language feature of the text. Who wants to answer the language feature? Oh, sorry, the part of the text. Okay, Arsita again.
Thesis, reiteration. Thesis, reiteration. I'm sorry, thesis, argument, reiteration. Thesis, argument, and
Thesis,
reiteration.
argument, or reiteration. Okay,
Reiteration.
very good, Arsita. Okay, this is the generic structure. Yeah, there are three parts of analytical exposition text. The first one is thesis, and then argument and reiteration. Yeah, thesis introduce the topic and indicating the writer's point of view. And then argument, explaining the argument to support the writer's position. And the last one, reiteration, resting the writer's point of view. Okay, now we are going to the language feature. Yeah, the language feature using relation process, using internal conjunction, using simple present tense. Are you have your partner, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Now, please discuss the LKPD. First LKPD. Discuss in your group. You have to answer in your right column of the table. Yeah, this is I write about part and the language feature of analytical exposition text, but you have answer of part of the analytical exposition text. You have write the text in your left, and then what is the part? Yeah, the part. Okay, please discuss in your group. Okay, time's up. First group, who wants to read your answer? Okay, Leilani, you can answer.
Where is, ma'am? I
Yes.
should answer. Where is the first?
The
The
first,
use
yes.
okay, the use of formalin and other dangerous. This is for thesis, maybe.
Okay, this is for thesis. And then the second, I think Rahmania.
Rahmania, go to
Argument.
toilet, ma'am.
First arguments. First arguments.
Yeah, first argument. And then the second reason is that there is no right control, etc. This is called
Second argument.
second argument.
argument.
And considering the reason, we
Is
can
the reiteration.
Reiteration.
reiteration. Okay, let's see the answer.
Conclusion.
Yeah. The first one is thesis, argument 1, argument 2, and reiteration. For the end of our activity today, I want to ask you, anyone wants to share the reflection? Arsita?
Yeah. After I read the text, I realized that sleeping is very useful for everyone. And I think the some difficult that I find in this text is how to analyze the language features mean. Maybe
yeah.
I need to learn about language features. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, the reflection today, we have already know about how the importance of sleep. And then we learned about the function of analytical exposition text, generic structure, and language feature of analytical exposition. Yes. Okay, class. I will stop now, and don't forget to submit your work by sending me in WhatsApp group. For the next meeting, we are going to learn about passive voice. Okay, thank you for today, and thanks for your participation today. You are my smart students, and have a nice day. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.